Good afternoon. This is Jason Scott with an update on your regional and national weather forecast for this February the 13th, 2011. Taking a look at the northeast, a weakening storm begins to enter the region on Tuesday. A trace to 3 inches of snow likely across western Pennsylvania and western Virginia. Some very light snow will move into upstate New York. Another initial light snow will change over to rain over the eastern part of the mountains across the eastern mid-Atlantic and the southeast part of New York. A dry day is on tap for New England. Lows will range from the -10 in northern Maine to the upper 20s and 30s over the Virginias, with temperatures near average to 10 degrees above average. Highs will range from the upper 20s over the northern part of Maine to the 50s across most of Virginia, with very little light snow or rain may linger from the upstate part of New York to southern New England on midweek. Taking a look at the south, it looks like as the storm heads eastward on Tuesday, near 1 inch of snowfall could turn icy, then a slushy mess of snow changes over to rain across the southern Appalachians. Outside of the mountain, rain will target the southeast, mainly across Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and the Florida Panhandle. The heaviest rainfall could occur over the north and central Georgia, but totals will be under an inch. Dry weather is on tap for the lower Mississippi Valley and westward. Lows will range from the 20s in the Texas Panhandle to the 60s over the southern tip of Texas and Florida, with temperatures below average in the vicinity of the southern Appalachians, but average over or 10 degrees above average over the rest of the region. Highs will range from the 40s over Tennessee and North Georgia and the western part of Carolinas to the 70s over the central and southern part of Texas and around the Gulf Coast. Next round of rain will move east across the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley in midweek, with a few strong thunderstorms will be near the northwest Gulf of Mexico. Over the Midwest, it looks like as the storm shifts to the east, 1 to 4 inches of snowfall targets southern Michigan and the Ohio Valley on Tuesday, with snow changing to light rain from south side of Indiana and Ohio into Kentucky. Dry weather is on tap for the Mississippi Valley and plains. Temperatures will be 5 to 15 degrees above average from the Dakotas to northern Michigan. Lows will range from the single digits in teens over the northern part of Minnesota to the low 30s in Kentucky. Highs will be mainly in the 30s and 40s. As a strip of snow and wintry mix develops westward over part of Kansas to Iowa and southern Wisconsin, rain will increase from the southern part and the eastern part of Kansas and into Illinois by midweek. Over the west, it looks like snow and some rain showers will keep much of the northwest, interior southwest unsettled on Tuesday. The heaviest showers and mountain snows will focus over the Four Corners region. Snowfall amounts of 12 inches possible across the southern part of the Colorado Rockies. Gusty winds will target the southeast, Arizona, and Mexico. Lows will range between 10 and 20 degrees over Wyoming and 40s and low 50s over the desert southwest, with temperatures mainly near average to 15 degrees below average, except above average over the northeast part of Montana and southeast part of New Mexico. Highs will range from the 30s and 40s across the northwest and 50s and 60s near the Mexico border. Come midweek, California could see some showers and snow showers from the Sierra to Wyoming and Colorado. That's a look at your national and regional forecasts right here on Extreme Storm Central. Be sure to go to our website at extremestormcentral.com. Have a great day.